we're excited to introduce you to our FMEA and Control Plan course. In this course, we'll dive into the fundamentals and advanced techniques of FMEA, which is a structured approach to identifying and preventing potential failures, and develop the control plans consistent with FMEA.
Learning FMEA is beneficial for several reasons. FMEA equips you with the tools to identify and assess risks in processes, products, and systems, enhancing your overall risk management capabilities. FMEA fosters a systematic approach to problem solving, teaching you how to analyze complex processes and make informed decisions. Knowledge of FMEA is often a valuable asset in many roles in various industries. Overall, learning FMEA can significantly enhance your analytical skills, contribute to organizational success, and improve your career prospects.
This course is designed with aimed at both beginners and professionals, typically focuses on foundational concepts while also including more advanced topics with real-world applications and examples. This structure helps ensure that everyone, regardless of their background, can benefit from the course.
This course will be interactive with quiz and assignments. So I encourage questions, discussions, and sharing of experiences through question and answer chat during your learning. Together, we will work through various exercises to ensure that you are confident in applying FMEA and control plans in your own work. Then, why are you waiting? Enroll and enjoy the learning.
Here is the course page from Udemy. Please scan the QR code or follow the link in description. See you in the course.